Create an enterprise bot. Bot creation is the name of the game when using AtBot. You can create as many custom branded bots as you'd like on the AtBot platform. There are two types of bots, enterprise bots and web bots. In this video, we're going to cover enterprise bots. Enterprise bots are those chatbots you deploy through an app that authenticates its users through Office 365. We most commonly see these bots used in Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online, and Dynamics 365. Enterprise bots are especially useful for internal IT support, field service ops, and getting requesters in touch with the right people and information. Users of enterprise bots are authenticated through Office 365. So enterprise bots will have access to data about its user through Microsoft Graph and Azure Active Directory. This could be simple things like their name, their phone number, and office location, but also complex and potentially more powerful information like their manager, their close colleagues, and content they've been working on. We see a lot of success with automated approvals thanks to an enterprise bot's access to this information. Creating the bot is one of the few AtBot actions that requires access to the Azure Portal. You simultaneously create the bot in the AtBot admin portal and the Azure Portal. Connect the two items, and from then on, you can manage the bot right from the AtBot admin portal without the need for going back to Azure. So let's get started. To set the stage, you'll want to open both the Azure portal at portal.azure.com and the AtBot admin portal at admin.atbot.io. Have each open in its own tab. You'll be copying some information between the two over the course of this process. Let's start in the AtBot admin portal. To create our bot, we'll click Bot Management from the navigation pane, then select Enterprise Bots. Click New Enterprise Bot and give your bot a name. Once you create the bot in the AtBot admin portal, you'll have only a little information about that bot, but one of those things is critical. You want to copy the messaging endpoint that's listed under the Bot Framework Registration tab. This URL needs to be used in Azure. All you have to do is click the field to copy the URL. Now let's jump to the Azure portal. Click Create a New Resource, then search the word Bot and select Bot Channels Registration from the suggestions. Create a new Bot Channels Registration. Give your bot a similar name to the one you used in the AtBot admin portal, though note that your handle of choice might be taken. Customize the name with additional words or numbers to make it unique, and don't worry, we can update the display name later. Select your Azure subscription and resource group, then paste the messaging endpoint you copied from the AtBot admin portal. Click Create. It may take a few minutes for your registration to deploy. You can click the notification pane to show status. In the notification pane, let's open up your deployment. The first thing you'll want to do is copy the app ID from Azure and paste it in the bots page in the AtBot admin portal. Do the same thing for the app secret. Now that we have the messaging endpoint, app ID, and app secret shared between Azure and AtBot, bot management can be done fully in the AtBot admin portal. But there's one more thing to do to make the most of the AtBot experience. Jumping back to Azure, open the bot channel registration and click Channels. We want to enable the direct line channel to ensure you can test your bot in the AtBot admin portal. Click Configure Direct Line Channel. Click to show either of the secret keys and copy it. Let's go back to the AtBot admin portal and paste that text in the direct line key field. With this, you'll be able to test the bot using the Test and Embed button at the bottom of the page. Now let's make some quick changes to some of the settings to show that this is really our bot when we test it. Under the Help and Messages tab, update the Welcome, Login, and Default Messages to something new. Click Save Bot. Now let's test the bot. You should see the newly configured welcome message and login message. And since this is an enterprise bot, you'll need to log in with your Office 365 account the first time you use it. Once logged in, anything you say will come back with the new default message. As of now, the bot is working as expected, so it's time to go off and build out some skills and connect a Q&A Maker knowledge base.